God, we just thank you for your goodness and mercy. We just pray for Kale and Vic as they step forward into this time of promise. And I just pray that you'd bless their lives together and make them just a light.
So Vic, once Kale confessed his interest in you, you told him, "My heart and mind is nowhere else but with you." And Kale, you carried her diamond ring in your pocket almost from day one. And you have said many times since that time, "My heart and my mind is nowhere else but with you." So in the last 2.5 years, you guys have been talking nonstop. You have been working tirelessly night and day to start a new studio. You have been working on your relationship, and you have been changing lives together. And here we are today. Here we are today. In your steadfast love for each other, always be loving and faithful and honoring and encouraging, building up and restoring, serving and pursuing this. And don't do it in your own strength. Please do it in the strength of God. May kiss your bride. The very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kale and Vic.